Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a spice that's been used for centuries to boost health and well-being? Today, we're diving deep into the world of ginger, exploring its incredible benefits, how to use it, and what precautions you should keep in mind. Get ready to be amazed by the power of this humble root. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, is more than just a flavorful spice. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Originating in Southeast Asia, ginger has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine. It's now cultivated worldwide. The magic of ginger lies in its key compounds: gingerol, shogal, and zingerone. These are responsible for its distinctive flavor and potent medicinal properties. Benefits of ginger. Let's explore the amazing health benefits that ginger has to offer, from soothing your stomach to potentially fighting cancer. Ginger is a true superfood. One of ginger's most well-known benefits is its ability to reduce nausea. It's particularly effective for morning sickness during pregnancy. Studies have shown that ginger can significantly reduce nausea and vomiting after surgery. This makes it a natural alternative to anti-nausea medications. If you suffer from motion sickness, ginger can be your travel companion. Taking ginger before or during travel can help prevent nausea and dizziness. Ginger boasts powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Ginger can ease the symptoms of arthritis and muscle soreness. It helps reduce pain and improve mobility. Some studies suggest that ginger may offer relief from chronic pain. This makes it a valuable addition to pain management strategies. Ginger promotes healthy digestion by speeding up stomach emptying. This can help prevent indigestion and discomfort. It can also help reduce bloating and gas. Ginger aids in breaking down food and easing digestive discomfort. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes are essential for proper nutrient absorption. Emerging research suggests that ginger may help lower blood sugar levels. This is beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Ginger may also have potential benefits for heart health. It can help lower cholesterol and improve blood circulation. Exciting research is exploring ginger's anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest it may inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. How to consume ginger. There are many delicious and convenient ways to incorporate ginger into your daily routine. Let's explore some popular options. Fresh ginger can be grated, sliced, or juiced. Add it to teas, smoothies, stir-fries, and more for a zesty kick. Powdered ginger is a convenient option for baking and drinks. It adds a warm, spicy flavor to cookies, cakes, and lattes. Ginger capsules or supplements provide a concentrated dose of ginger. This is a good option for those seeking specific health benefits. Ginger ale and ginger candies can provide relief from nausea. Be mindful of the sugar content in these products. To prepare ginger tea, simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water. Add honey or lemon for extra flavor and benefits. When cooking with ginger, add it towards the end of the cooking process. This helps preserve its flavor and beneficial compounds. When to consume ginger. Timing is everything. Knowing when to consume ginger can maximize its benefits. Take ginger before travel to prevent motion sickness. This can help you enjoy your journey without feeling nauseous. Consume ginger after meals to aid digestion. It can help prevent bloating, gas, and indigestion. During cold and flu season, boost your immune system with ginger. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help fight off infections. Incorporate ginger into your daily diet for overall health. This can help you reap its long-term benefits. Potential harms and precautions. While ginger is generally safe, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and precautions. Moderation is key. Excessive consumption of ginger can cause heartburn and gas. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as tolerated. Ginger has blood-thinning properties. Those on blood-thinning medications should consult their doctor before taking ginger supplements. Pregnant women should consult their doctor before taking ginger supplements. While ginger can help with morning sickness, it's important to be cautious. Ginger can interact with certain medications. Consult your healthcare professional if you are taking any medications. Dosage recommendations. Finding the right dosage is crucial to maximizing benefits and minimizing side effects. Here are some general guidelines. For nausea, a common dosage is 1 gram per day. This can be divided into multiple doses throughout the day. For general health, aim for 1 to 2 grams of fresh ginger, or 1 to 2 teaspoons of powdered ginger per day. Adjust the dosage based on your individual needs and tolerance. Start with a small dose and gradually increase it to assess your body's reaction. Pay attention to any side effects and adjust accordingly. Conclusion. Audio, upbeat music fades slightly. So there you have it. From soothing stomachs to fighting inflammation, ginger is a true powerhouse of health benefits. We've explored its many uses, from relieving nausea to potentially fighting cancer. Remember to consume ginger in moderation and be aware of potential side effects. If you have any concerns, always consult your doctor. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs. Now it's your turn. Start incorporating ginger into your daily routine and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness advice. Let us know in the comments how you like to use ginger. Thanks for watching.